Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can recover your software on your iPad. So how can you install your new iOS or restore your iOS on your iPad? So first you need to check if your iPad is in restore mode. So you can also enter for restore mode by pressing home button and power button for 10 seconds. So after you do this, iTunes will detect that here you can see iPad in recovery mode. If you are experiencing problems with your iPad, you can restore its original settings by clicking restore iPad. So after you click restore iPad, it will download the latest version you can install to your iPad and just install it to your iPad. If you want to download it manually, you can download manually custom firmware for your iPad, and after you do it, you can also choose your iOS version you download from internet by clicking on Shift. Just press Shift and click on Restore. Or sorry, not Shift but Option. So just click on Alt on Option and choose Restore. So it will open Finder, and in Finder you also choose firmware you download from for your iPad. So just choose your iOS version. So I don't remember where I saved it. I will enter the extension of this file, IPCV, as I remember. So here you can see my iOS version for iPad 9.3.5. So I just choose this, clicking 2 times, and just choose restore. So now you just need to wait after it will automatically restore your iPad and install this software you also choose to your iPad. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.